Pastel backgrounds don't need to be difficult at all. In this video I'm going to show you in less than 5 minutes how to do a pastel background in real time. Now if you're wondering if you're going to like doing pastels or you're interested about them, I've got a completely free video that lots and lots of people have done and I'm very surprised with their outcomes, how good they are, and it's over on my Patreon channel. Completely free, link in the description below or details on screen. Let's get started on that background. Okay, so that's what I do. I'd go in my sticks, try one out. That's a lighter one. There's a darker Rembrandt one. It's kind of in between the two, so let's use the two. So it's a bit darker at the top. I'm not going to worry about it going to kind of a different colour up there. That's going to go only to about that level. Don't want to come in too far. Making sure I'm going outside my line. It does go lighter in there, but it's got a greeny tinge to it. Not pushing hard. Never pushing hard anyway. And then the chin and the lip, pinky, come out about here. And then I'll blend it back in. Pinky to there, and lighter. And put a bit of the lighter colour in and give a bit of variety. Okay. Do I want to go a bit darker down here? Could do a bit. Just put a little bit on there. Now it'll blend together and won't look so dark then. Like that. A little dark there. And if anything, should be even lighter then at the top section. It's not going to be this light, but let's put something light in there and you won't blend it. It's a bit bluer actually on the reference. Right, let's not start with the dark part, let's start with the lighter part. Clean fingers, circular strokes. You see how smooth and soft that looks quite quickly. Now I want to blend it back into the hair and let it all soften and merge. And I can drag the hair out from that. A bit of a line or something going on there, so let's get rid of that. Still there, not too bothered. Down into the darkness. The more pastel you put on, the smoother the effect will go. Right. Do kind of like this, a blue up here. What about there? Just as a, kind of a lighting effect, like the light is coming down from above. Just has a little bit more variety again, doesn't it? It's coming in like that. And then it mixes with the green and makes that softer. Just to give that a bit of variety as well. So we've got a kind of offset in the light up there. Quite like that actually. So there you go, a background in 5 minutes or less, as I promised. Don't forget to check out the rest of my channel. I've got hundreds of lessons, and like, subscribe so you don't miss all my new ones, and don't forget to also check out that free giraffe lesson.